Good morning, students. In last class, I have explained about the definition of sentence. Now today, I am going to explain kinds of sentences. Let's begin. There are 4 kinds of sentences. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Okay, so assertive sentence, we divide assertive sentences into 3 category: affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and emphatic sentences. Now let's begin the definition. Assertive sentences: these sentences state a fact, describe things, or report events. They are also called declarative sentence or statement. And assertive sentences can be of 3 kinds. Okay, so what are assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are also called declarative sentences. They state a fact or they describe things or report events. The assertive sentence gives some information, simple information about something. Okay, so we divide assertive sentences into 3 kinds: affirmative, negative, and emphatic. Now let's see the examples of affirmative sentence. Mohan wrote a letter. I helped my friend. They hope to pass this year. Mohan tells lies. Now we do change these affirmative sentences into negative sentences. How we change? Negative sentence. Mohan did not write a letter. I did not help my friend. I helped my friend. I did not help my friend. They do not hope to pass this year. You can see we add not in each sentences to make negative. Mohan does not tell lies. Now, this is emphatic sentences. How we change the emphatic sentences? Mohan did write a letter. I did help my friends. She does hope to pass this year. Mohan does tell lies. Okay, so we add did or does or do to make the sentence emphatic. Okay, now let's see the difference between emphatic sentence or non-emphatic sentences. Study the following table and note the difference between emphatic sentences, non-emphatic sentences, and emphatic sentences. Non-emphatic sentences, emphatic sentences. You know the secret. You do know the secret. He speaks the truth. He does speak the truth. The boys feel sorry for their mistake. The boys do feel sorry for their mistake. Please come in. Please do come in. Please consider my request favorably. Please do consider my request favorably. Shanta sang a song. How we make this emphatic? Shanta did sing a song. See, I made this myself. I did make this myself. I bought a pen yesterday. I did buy a pen yesterday. He returned the money. He did return the money. We elected him the secretary. We did elect him the secretary. So you can see that how we make non-emphatic sentence to emphatic sentence. Now come to another kinds, interrogative sentences. Sentences which inquire about something are called interrogative sentences. Such sentences take a question mark at their end. Okay, so such kind of sentences that inquire about something or that asking question is called interrogative sentence. These kind of sentences ends with question mark. Let's see the example. What is your father? Why are the boys making noise? Are you not happy here? Did the teacher punish him? Now next one is imperative sentence. Sentences which express some command, request, advice, etc. are called imperative sentences. The subject you is ordinarily not used in such sentences. Okay, so what are imperative sentences? Such kind of sentences that express some commands or requests or give some advice are called imperative sentences. Let's see the example. Bring a glass of water, please. Tell him to leave the room at once. Switch on the lights. March forward. Okay, so these are the example of advice, order or request, okay, or command. So these type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Now next one is exclamatory sentences. Sentences which express some sudden feeling such as pleasure, anger or surprise about something which has been said or done are called exclamatory sentences. Such sentences or expressions take a mark of exclamation at their ends. Okay, such kind of sentences that express some sudden feelings like pleasure, anger, surprise are called exclamatory sentences, and that type of sentences ends with exclamation marks. Let's see the example. Hooray, we have won. Alas, he is ruined. What a lovely flower it is. How foolish he is. You can see that each sentence ends with exclamation mark and some sentences also ends with full stop. So these are the definition of kinds of sentences. Now let's see the let's see the exercises. Name the kind of each of the following sentences. Okay, this is your homework. You do this as a homework, and your CW is write the kinds of sentences with definition. I hope you understand the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.